I can't believe it nowadays. Has robotics advanced to this point? The potatoes at home are ripe, and a robot has appeared. They can independently pick up a hoe and go to the field to dig out the potatoes from the soil. They were all dug out of the ground and then collected together. Of course, it wasn't just about digging soil. The soybeans can also be used for tilling. If your family's fields need tilling, you can even use two machines together. When people work together to plow the field, one machine pulls the plow while another pushes the rice seedlings. The same method applies to transplanting rice seedlings. Not at all. It requires manual transplanting and no manual spraying of pesticides. In short, all agricultural. The robot can operate independently. Operation methods and human labor. The method is exactly the same, you don't need to worry about it at all. Do you think such robots are smart? An agricultural life unfolds on large-scale vegetable farms in the United States. A transformation in production is quietly taking place. Vegetable harvesting here no longer relies on a large amount of manual labor, but is carried out by advanced vision recognition systems. Other systems. The robots dominate these robots. Just like smart workers on a farm using high-definition cameras. Deep learning algorithms accurately identify mature vegetables. Location size and maturity enabled the recognition. The fully automated robotic arm for harvesting is guided by a vision system. The harvested vegetables are precisely grabbed and cut. They are then quickly transported via conveyor belt. A small number of workers will sort and package the vegetables at the back end. Then the entire process of packing and palletizing is completed. Cheng finished in one go. This robotic harvesting technology not only solves agricultural problems. The labor shortage problem also reduced labor costs. This improving production efficiency has provided a new direction for the development of modern agriculture. Today, we will step into the wonderful world of modern agricultural machinery together intelligent science. Technology is quietly changing the future of agriculture, which is truly amazing. Please sit tight now. Our adventure officially begins. The first machine we see is not merely a tool, but more like an intelligent brain connecting the tractor with the technological world. It efficiently coordinates the cutting speed. Degree and altitude are like flying. The pilots in the cockpit manipulated every movement of the flight path with precision, just like outsiders. Scientific surgery meets your needs for pruning. All requirements. Some say one good tool is enough, but two tools are always better. It is better than one. Check out AFU's innovative designs. The telescopic arms on both sides trim the fence with meticulous precision down to the inch in an instant. Inch. Have you ever seen a giant machine harvesting cotton in Brazil? The machine galloped across the vast fields like a tank. Light. The pine trees carefully picked the pure white cotton, leaving neat rows that resembled works of art. Imagine the entire garden when this giant walks into Sadako's garden. All districts are open. Started trembling. This machine is the largest in the world. The most agile harvester is like a master harvester, capable of harvesting simultaneously. Treating multiple crops without leaving a single seed. South Korea's agricultural technology. The rice transplanters there performed remarkably well, moving with the ease of driving on a highway. For example, moving precisely between rice paddies to sow each seed. The rice seedlings are like square. Draw patterns on graph paper. Who says a tractor can't be a monster? Fiat Agri is like a super wild animal. Animals transform into. The 8-wheeled behemoth uses a hydraulic system to place pipes. Plants without harming a single tender bud. It's like a perfect combination of farmer and engineer, which is quite remarkable. If you are amazed by our program, please leave your valuable feedback. Your support. This will be our motivation to continue creating and sharing more exciting content. What you need to pull up is no longer a seedling. Instead, it refers to mature plants. The contact felt as if the host had descended, a giant round shovel gently enveloping the roots, and transplanting the plant without any damage is like replanting it. A life. This apple picking machine is practically an orchard. High-efficiency production line. With X16 technology, he quickly and gently pick each fruit. It's as easy and worry-free as using a smart vacuum cleaner. At the same time, this machine is for any people. Provide the perfect harvest experience, whether for brewing or exporting. They call it box eater, nicknamed 22 items in one. Second trip. He completed all the tasks quietly. Marco's heavy machine resembles a powerful truck. Quick and safe loading without any hindrance. You may have seen all kinds of farms. Industrial equipment, but this machine is like a. The compact moving blade is compatible with the rotating blade of a chainsaw. But that machine can quickly cut the banana stem and immediately pulverize it. There is also a device that does not grow crops, capable of accurately measuring each. The depth is adjusted according to the horizontal dimensions, much like in science fiction. The magic quickly press the roots into the soil. The seedlings will be ready in seconds without the need for a shovel. Able to take root steadily. Real carrots. A monster appeared. This 3-row harvester moved with the precision of a surgeon. The gentle rainbow carrots traversed the barren landscape like tanks, ignoring obstacles and fearlessly following the lawnmower with the flair of a DJ. The shuttle charged forward. The knife in front of the field. The film, accompanied by a primal energy rhythm, cuts the plant into even segments. Each stream of sweet biomass flew precisely into the funnel. The performance was absolutely stunning, and the entire process was seamless. Small DNA. Although the crop is a delicate crop, this machine treats it like a work of art. It gently cuts the product into the tray, ready to be packaged at any time. Pack. All of this is accomplished with the ease of your fingertips. Let's take a look at this single-order machine specifically designed for neatness. The staff could easily and smoothly arrange the green onions with almost no effort. There is operation. The scene was orderly and not a single green plant was lost. The magical plants grown by the Flamus region are like delicacies from the fields. The laboratory seeds were arranged in an orderly manner. There is a precise quantity that seems like mathematics. Home. Calculate carefully. While the tractor driver leisurely sipped coffee, all the procedures were already complete. Completed automatically under dual screen monitoring. Walk. Get closer and you'll see that the bottom of this machine resembles a giant mechanical hand. Gently receive the generous gift of plants. Perfectly designed structure. 10. The harvesting speed became as fast as the wind, leaving no grain unharvested. I'm eager to understand how peat is harvested industrially. Look at how Mary Pig's peat harvester precisely transforms swamps into raw material warehouses. The blade is capable of cutting uniform soil layer. It can accumulate after one pass. Do you want to dry and package piles of biofuel in just a few minutes? Feeding 30 cows without risking. The Patra Milk Express system will solve the problem of sweat. You can easily supply up to 500 liters of milk at a time through the pipeline. The intelligent four-stroke engine can not only heat and mix milk, but also, the system automatically cleans the entire room after meals. These pipes. The whey is not only. It's a soft, flexible tube, more like a harmonious melody flowing through a waterfall. FB precisely delivers the gold-scented glue droplets. The system ensures the glue adheres perfectly without leaking or deviating from its intended path, adjusting the pressure and length precisely for each application. The process unfolded like a poem or a painting. The video ends here. Friends, don't forget to like, follow, and share so more people can see these wonderful things. See you in the next video.